It's me, Marie. I'm wearing Aristocat socks. Let's make a video. Happy June, happy Pride Month. For this video, I thought I would do a little makeup tutorial on a rainbow pride look that you guys could wear to Pride. I've got my Pride Bill shirt on. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. I'm going to start by taking a primer and just applying that all over my face. Next, I'm going to take my foundation, put it on my beauty blender, and I'm going to apply that as I normally would. I'm going to take my brow pencil and just do my brows as I normally would. I'm going to take my concealer and apply it under my eyes and on problem areas just to even out my skin a little bit. I'm going to use my concealer brush to blend that all in. I'm just going to do my contour on my cheekbones, on my jawline, and on my forehead as I normally would. Now we're going to start with eyeshadow. I have this big palette with a ton of colors in it. So we're going to start on my right eye. I'm going to blend in the red color from the palette. And I'm just going to sort of do that all over on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to add in the orange color right next to it. And after that, I'm going to add in yellow on the inner corner. Next eye, we're going to do the same thing with purple, blue, and green on the inner corner. I'm going to take my concealer brush and my concealer, and we're going to cut the crease. So I'm just going to apply that all over both eyelids. When that's done, I'm going to set it with some setting powder. Now we're going to take that same eyeshadow brush and blend in the red and a little bit of orange on the outer corner, and we're going to do the same thing with the blue and the purple on the other side. Now I'm going to take some glitter eyeliner and apply that along the crease of the eyeshadow. To do my winged liner, I'm going to start from the outer corner and draw the wing, and then I'm going to take it from the middle of the eye and then from the corner, and then I'm going to fill it in. We'll do the same thing on the other eye as well. Now I'm going to apply my mascara by blinking it on. And real quick, I'm just going to apply blush all over my cheeks and nose. Now we're going to apply glitter. So I'm going to use some eyelash glue from this eyelash kit, and I'm going to put that on my cheek where I would put highlight, and then take the glitter and just put it right on top of the glue. I'm going to take a highlight stick and put a little bit on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And now I'm going to apply some bright pink lipstick. I'm going to finish it off with some setting spray. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I love doing Pride looks. I love the glitter, I love the rainbows. It's so much fun. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss when I post. And if you want to see more looks like this in the future, be sure to leave a comment and let me know that. Thanks for watching. Bye!